Apple is once again ready to rewrite the rules of smartphone photography. And this time it's the iPhone 18 that is stealing the spotlight. Because according to the latest leaks and industry chatter, Apple will debut Samsung's never-before-seen 3-layer stack sensor, a groundbreaking piece of camera technology that could redefine how we capture moments with smartphone. And while Apple and Samsung are fierce rivals in the smartphone space, behind the scenes they often collaborate on hardware, components, and this move proves just how important this technology is for the future of the iPhone, as the 3-layer stack sensor works by stacking 3 distinct layers, one for light, one for color, and one for processing, resulting in massive gains in image clarity, low light performance, and dynamic range, meaning photos taken on the iPhone 18 could look sharper, brighter, and more lifelike than ever before, even in difficult conditions. And insiders suggest that this sensor will be exclusive to the iPhone 18 Pro and Pro Max models, giving them a clear advantage over the standard iPhone 18, which is rumored to stick with a refined version of the current dual-layer sensor. But make no mistake, this leap is being called the single most important camera upgrade in iPhone history, and when paired with the upcoming A20 Bionic chip, which is expected to feature a massively improved image signal processor, the iPhone 18's camera will not only capture stunning photos, but also deliver cinematic video quality with improved stabilization, higher frame rates, and enhanced HDR, making it an absolute dream for photographers, content creators, and everyday users alike. And just imagine capturing night sky shots with crystal clarity, recording low-light videos without grain, or snapping portraits with studio-level depth and detail, all thanks to this sensor breakthrough. And Apple software enhancements like Smart HDR, Deep Fusion, and Cinematic Mode are also expected to be fine-tuned to take full advantage of this hardware, which could result in natural skin tones, more accurate colors, and breathtakingly realistic details. And the most exciting part is that this innovation not only raises the bar for Apple fans, but also sets a new standard that Samsung, Google, and other rivals will be forced to chase. Because while Samsung has created the sensor, Apple will be the first to integrate it into a real-world device, proving once again how their tight integration of hardware and software creates unmatched results. And with smartphone cameras becoming the single most important feature for buyers worldwide, this move could help the iPhone 18 dominate the market in 2025, sparking massive demand and cementing Apple's reputation as the leader in mobile photography. And analysts are already predicting that if this leak is true, the iPhone 18 Pro Max will become the must-have phone of the year, not just for Apple enthusiasts, but for anyone who cares about pushing creative boundaries with their smartphone. And considering how Apple has historically marketed camera upgrades with cinematic flair, you can bet that the launch event will highlight this sensor as the crown jewel of the iPhone 18, showcasing stunning photo and video demos that will leave the world in awe. And as the buzz grows louder, one thing is certain: the 3-layer stack sensor is not just another spec upgrade. It is the dawn of a new era for mobile imaging, proving that Apple is willing to collaborate, innovate, and push boundaries to stay ahead. And as always, we'll keep you updated on every new detail, leak, and official announcement. So stay tuned, because the iPhone 18 is shaping up to be more than a phone. It's a revolution in your pocket, and we'll be here to cover it all on TechVerse.